guys, this is Emmy from Em Carnivorium, coming from Northern California. As you can see, the carnivorous plants are going into dormancy, so they're not looking their best. But today we will be talking about water germination of Venus flytrap seeds and how to do it and tips and tricks. But before we get started, you gotta smash that like button and smash that subscribe button to Em Carnivorium's YouTube channel. For water germination of Venus flytrap seeds, we use glass test tubes and autoclavable stoppers because they can be re-sterilized. Once the water reaches a hard boil, we put them in for about 3 minutes for them to sterilize. We also put in our autoclavable stoppers. Make sure you're using autoclavable stoppers or else plastic will melt.
Okay, so we already have our sterilized test tubes now. So the water in here was boiled either rainwater or distilled water, and we filled the tubes up with the boiled water as they were hot. And we put them in these test tube racks and let them cool down. Now you can see we've got these are our seed packs from Em Carnivorium. We have specific seed packs that we're going to be growing this year. We don't grow all our seeds out, just the ones that we have particular interest in. And so today we're going to put the seeds into the tubes. It's important to note when we pack these seeds, we make sure that there's absolutely no additional flower parts in here. Dried flower parts are a problem because once put in water, they will oftentimes decompose and then lead to fungus formation if you have non-sterilized tubes or water, or again if you're introducing stuff in through these flower parts. So we always check to make sure our packets are clean, and all of these are clean because we packed them ourselves. And then now here we're going to take the tube, so we're just going to take the tube cap off, and then we'll put our seeds in. These are from our glassine seed packs, and then we're just going to cover them up, and then that's it. You can see that the seeds tend to hang out at the top, and so if you just do a quick drop like that, after a while they will sink, or it may take 1 or 2 days to let them soak for a bit, and then you just make a quick drop like that and they will sink eventually. So we'll put them back on our rack. It's going to give us a couple days, and we tend to put them on a windowsill indoors. Okay, one more here. So we've got another seed pack from our 2023 Em Carnivorium Harvest. This is EEC Giant crossed with Ginormous. We've labeled it with Sharpie on our tube, which has sterilized water, and the tube was sterilized as we showed earlier. And now we're just going to transfer these seeds from the seed packet into the tube. And then we're going to cover the tube. It's not uncommon to see the seeds float for the first initial day. After they soak for about a day, we'll just give a little light tap to them and they'll usually sink down. We'll show you that in a little bit. We limit the number of seeds per tube to about less than 20, because in our experience more than 20 can lead to more risk of fungus formation. It's also really important to note that we do not cold stratify our seeds, meaning you may see online that some people feel like you have to put the seeds in the refrigerator or something to simulate a winter before the seed will germinate, and we do not have that issue here. We've done this for 8 years and we don't cold stratify any of our Venus flytrap seeds.
So just a brisk shake of the tube to get the seeds to sink. It may take 1 or 2 days to let the seeds soak before doing the shake. These seeds are just beginning to germinate. Fresh seeds typically germinate in 8 to 14 days using this technique. These seeds have been in the water for over 2 weeks, and you can see roots and first leaves. These seed coats are now being shed and first leaves with early traps are seen. These seedlings are ready to be transferred into peat-based media. These seeds have been affected by fungus. Fungus is the white cloudy material that you see on the seeds. This is what you don't want. If you see this, you should pour the seeds out onto peat-based media. Typically, the fungus in the water will not survive on peat-based media, and the seeds will have to germinate in the standard fashion. Hey guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video on water germination of Venus flytrap seeds. Make sure you smash that subscribe button and give us a huge like, and then make sure you check the description down below on our next video of how to transfer Venus flytrap seeds that you water germinated into pots. And last, we have a special announcement. We have merch including hoodies, hats, and shirts. Make sure you look at our Instagram account, link in the description down below, and make sure you subscribe and look for our merch giveaways.